How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make the narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, and chase after you. That's the title of this video. If you are seeking to make a narcissist obsessed with you, it is essential to understand that narcissists have unique psychological traits that often revolve around their need for admiration, validation, and attention. While this can sometimes make them initially attracted to people who feed their ego, it's very important to keep in mind that this strategy may not lead to healthy or sustainable relationships. Narcissists are typically self-centered and they may not reciprocate genuine love or care. However, if you still wish to learn how to attract a narcissist and capture their attention, there are some strategies that could make you appear irresistible in their eyes. Number one, appeal to their ego. Narcissists are driven by their need for admiration and validation. Compliment them on their looks, achievements, and unique qualities without being overly insincere. Make them feel special and superior to others. This will appeal to their need to feel superior and admired. Now, if you want to make a narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, if you want to attract them and capture their attention, be mysterious and play hard to get. Narcissists enjoy the challenge of winning over someone who doesn't immediately give them attention. Don't be overly available or eager to please them. Create a sense of mystery by not revealing everything about yourself too quickly, keeping them intrigued and wanting to know more. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, to attract a narcissist and capture their attention, to make them chase after you, mirror their behavior. Narcissists love people who mirror them because it makes them feel understood and validated. You can subtly mimic their behavior, body language, and speech patterns. This mirroring can create a sense of connection and make them feel like you are a reflection of them. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, maintain your independence. Narcissists tend to be attracted to people who have their own lives, passions, and independence. Don't be overly dependent on them for attention or validation. When you have your own goals and interests, they may see you as more desirable because you are not completely reliant on them for fulfillment. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, to make them attracted to you, to make them chase after you, show confidence and high self-worth. Narcissists respect people who have a strong sense of self-worth. They are often attracted to individuals who are confident and secure in themselves. Project confidence in your abilities, appearance, and lifestyle. Narcissists may be drawn to people who they perceive as worthy of their attention. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, create emotional intensity. Narcissists are often drawn to emotional drama and intensity. You can keep them hooked by creating moments of emotional highs and lows, making them feel that you are unpredictable and exciting. However, be cautious with this approach because it can lead to manipulative dynamics and unhealthy patterns. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, to chase after you, give them attention, but not too much. Offer the narcissist attention and validation, but don't give it all the time. This will keep them chasing after your approval and attention, making them feel like they need to earn it. Too much attention will make you seem easily accessible, which might lead to them losing interest. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, to chase after you, appeal to their need for superiority. Narcissists love being in control and feeling like they're superior. If you can make them feel like they are the smartest, most accomplished person in the room, they may become obsessed with you. However, this should be done in a way that feels natural and not forced. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, flatter them with subtle praise. Narcissists love being flattered, but they are also suspicious of direct flattery. Instead of overly obvious compliments, make subtle remarks that make them feel acknowledged and validated. For example, casually mention how others admire their success or intellect, or how they are a source of inspiration for you. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, to chase after you, be unpredictable. Narcissists often get bored when they feel they have completely won someone over. To keep them interested, change things up. Be a little unpredictable. Create some tension and don't always give them what they want right away. This can make you appear more alluring and can provoke their pursuit. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, be an enigma. Narcissists like to have people around who are unpredictable or hard to read. If you create an air of mystery, they may feel compelled to figure you out and win your affection. However, this should be done with caution to avoid manipulation or unhealthy emotional patterns. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, maintain emotional distance. Don't become emotionally dependent or overly vulnerable. Narcissists typically have little empathy for others, and they may exploit emotional weaknesses. Keeping a safe emotional distance can keep them chasing you because they want what they can't have. It's important to note that trying to manipulate or change someone's behavior, especially a narcissist, can often lead to negative, emotionally draining or toxic dynamics. Narcissists may lack empathy and they may be focused on using others for their personal gain. So this pursuit can lead to emotional harm or even manipulation in the long run. So if your goal is to have a healthy, balanced relationship, it's crucial to prioritize self-respect, boundaries, and mutual care rather than trying to make someone obsessed with you. Healthy relationships are based on mutual respect, empathy, and understanding, not manipulation or control. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video widely to all those who may need it. Hey, knowledge is power, information is power, learning is the superpower. Please, find time to watch 2, 3, 4, 5 more videos. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.